Hi, I'm Elshad, and I'm going to demonstrate how to sync your Stripe data to your Neon database, and we'll use Codeless Sync. Codeless Sync is a simple app that allows you to sync your API to any PostgreSQL, no coding required. So head to codelesssync.com, sign in, and go to your dashboard. Let's create our first sync. So we'll create sync configurations. Select the API you would like to sync, so we'll select Stripe. Select the object you would like to sync, so we'll select customers. Go next. Now we'll need to set up our database. So let's give our database a name first. Neon Demo Project Platform Neon. Connection string, we'll need to head to Neon to get that. So go to our account, go to our project, click on the connect button, and there's our connection string. Simply copy snippet, head back, paste that in, test and continue, and database has successfully connected. Now we just need to connect to our Stripe API key. So give the key a name, Stripe key. The restricted key, we'll need to head to Stripe for that. Go to your dashboard and click on developers on the bottom left, API keys. Now we'll need to create the restricted key. This is Stripe recommended method. So select providing this key to another website, continue, give the key a name, Codeless Sync key. The URL is Codeless Sync, so just copy this URL here and paste that in. Leave this unchecked, create restricted key, and there's our key. Simply click on it and it will copy. Head back, paste that in, and connect. And our key has successfully been connected. So next, now allow Codeless Sync to create your table, so it will do that automatically. You don't need to do nothing. Go next. Finish this off by giving a configure name. So Stripe customers sync Neon. Whatever name you want is fine. Create sync configurations, and our config has been created, and you can find it here as well. So let's click on it. Actually, let's see our Neon database, see if the table is created. So it'll be here, tables, and there it is. Our table has been created. As you can see, there's no data yet, so we'll sync our data. So we'll head back, and all you gotta do is click this button right here, full sync. Give it a second. Yep, 2 rows has processed, and we head back and refresh the table, and there's our data. Let's just move this out of the way, and there's our data. We have all our data, our customer data. If you want the full object of the customer, just head to the data field, and it's all here. Now you can sync this manually every day if you choose to, but if you would like to set up a schedule so it will automatically sync for you, so you don't have to keep coming back and having to sync to get the latest data, then let's head back and create a schedule. We go to schedule, create schedule, select our config, Stripe customer sync Neon, that's what we named it, Neon. Frequency, how often would you like it to freak? Hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. We'll select once a day. How much data you want to sync? We'll select the last day. So any new data that's come in the last 24 hours, we'll sync that in. And then create your schedule. And that's it. Schedule has been created. And the next one will be in 15 hours. So you don't have to come back. You can just leave it. It's all done. It takes care of it automatically. You have nothing else left to do. So that's it. If you have any feedback or anything you want to raise, please get in touch with me. Don't hesitate. Apart from that, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.